Is it fun?
Yay! I make blue and brown and yellow. I color something. And blue and let's get green.
Stick your fingers in it. Just scoop them out.
My scooter camera, the paint, and make it. Just get a green.
No, don't turn it upside down. Whoa, honey, don't do that.
Let's get out a little bit at a time.
There you go. Put your fingers in it. Just scoop it out.
How do we get some out? Get it like this. Yeah, there you go.
I get brown.
It's purple.
I get blue.
Okay, get your blue. Now get some red.
Okay.
There you go.
Now,
Make a handprint.
Oh,
There you go. Squish.
Brown.
That's purple, honey.
I get blue.
Okay, get some blue. You like the blue. What color is that? What color is that?
Red.
It's yellow.
Red.
Okay. That's orange.
This push on red. Red.
Are you calling for the red?
What's on the red?
Squishy.
Get brown.
It's purple.
I get blue. Purple.
Purple, this.
I get blue. I split them.
You did. You squished them. Let's see your fingers.
Is the orange, green, brown, and purple, blue make colors.
You got a rainbow, don't you?
And make rainbow. I almost so much today. Did praying. Let's get.
Have you had a good day? Are you having fun? Are you concentrating?
That's a big color.
What are you drawing a picture of? What is this a picture of, Connor?
It's the rainbow and animals.
Rainbow and
It's rainbow and animals. Oh, what kind of animals?
It's water, green, purple rainbow. The purple rainbow.
The purple rainbow?
Purple rainbow.
No. There you go. Only on the paper, please.
There. I can get.
Yay!
Make colors. Colors. Get rid of. I squish it all around.
Squish it all around.
Yay!
I squish it.
Are you a happy painter?
Happy painter. I make colors.
Yay!
Mommy,
Yes.
make paint the camera.
No, don't paint the camera.
Paint the camera like colors.
No, let's don't paint the camera different colors.
What color is this color? It's green. This. I get green.
Is Daddy painting on your paper?
Is that okay?
That's okay.
Are you a Picasso?
Dog. Dog. Dog.
Dots.
Huh.